Once upon a time, a few minutes ago, in a land where all things frown, where wrong is right, and day is night, and up is mostly down, there lived a beast with hopes and dreams beyond where most could see, a frowner with a smile inside, wanting to be free. The frowner went from here to there, it searched for miles and miles, but never could it find the help to make a frowner smile. It climbed a mountain made of cheese that smelled of dirty socks, and crossed the sour river on a raft of jagged rocks. Through restless days and stormy nights, without the stars to guide it, the frowner ventured on and on to find the smile inside it. One fateful night, as the sun came up and the moon was out of view, the creature came upon a place where suddenly it knew. There are no frowners here or there. There is no dread or gloom. The creatures all seem happy here. The flowers are in bloom. Their faces all stared back at it with traces of surprise, but soon they met the visitor with sparkles in their eyes. They approached the frowner, one and all, with laughter and with glee, for they knew what it was seeking, and 'twas they who held the key. With arms outstretched and open wide, the happy creatures came. The frowner knew without a doubt it'd never be the same. They welcomed it and helped it see the beauty underneath. Its ears began to wiggle, and it showed them all its teeth. The frowner is now joyful. After all this long, long while, it finally has its very own big, happy, toothy smile.